Okay guys, so welcome to my latest video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook business page to your Facebook group, and then how you can toggle between acting as yourself and as your page to do different things inside your Facebook group. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a social media strategist and tech coach, and I'm here to help you understand how to use your Facebook groups better. So why do you need to act as your page inside your Facebook group, and why wouldn't just being you be enough? Well, lots of us have our Facebook groups linked to our Facebook business pages so that we can act as our business on some occasions. Now, this is not always great because Facebook groups are a really social place and it is better to act as yourself. But a lot of businesses do have Facebook groups that they've created in alignment with their businesses. And sometimes you may want to act inside your group as your business page. Perhaps you're sharing some important information about your business. Perhaps you're sharing something strategic that you only want to come from your business page. Toggling between the two has caused a lot of people a lot of problems, and I'm going to show you in this video, first of all, how to link your Facebook business page to your group, and the second point is how you can toggle between the two profiles, yourself and your business page, and what limitations you get when you act as your business page, because there are limitations to what you can do inside your group if you are acting as your business page and not as yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up if you loved this video. Write any questions you might have in the comments below. Don't forget to ring the bell, because then you'll be notified when my next video drops. Without further ado, let's jump on inside of Facebook. Okay, to make it easier for you, I've actually created a test group so that you can see exactly how you link your Facebook group to your Facebook business page, because I've already got my digital marketing lounge linked to my page, and I can show you that when we go through the issues that you might be experiencing at the moment. So to link your Facebook group to your business page so that you can act as your page as well as your profile, you need to click on the More button, and then you need to go to Edit Group Settings. Inside this Edit Group Settings, you need to just scroll down, and here it says Linked Pages. Give your business, brand or organization a voice on Facebook and connect with the right people. So this is where you can link your page into your group. So you just go ahead and click Link Your Page, and it will pull up the page that it asks you to link. Now I'm manager of a few pages, so we're going to go to my business page, and you just go ahead and click Link. When you do that, it says your page will be able to manage the group and create posts. The group will also be listed on your page, and you can unlink the two at any time. So you can have a go at seeing whether it makes any difference to your group and how you are acting inside the group. So go ahead and link your page. Once you're happy, you just click Done. Then just remember, here it says now that we're linked. Go down and just click the Save button to be on the safe side. Sometimes it saves it automatically, but a lot of the time it doesn't. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're just going to refresh this page, and I'm going to show you now here we have interacting as Anita and also interacting as my profile. So that's how you link it to your page. And then if we jump over to my Facebook page, so let's just move that out of the way, you'll be able to see the linked group down here on the right. So here you go, it says test group. Now, depending on your template of your business page will depend whether you can see these groups. I'm using the video page as my template on my Facebook business page, so I don't have a groups tab here on the left, but it automatically puts my groups on the right. So if you aren't seeing the groups tab here, then you need to check out my other video which shows you how to alter the tabs on your Facebook business page, and I will put a link to that underneath this video for you to find. First of all, acting as your business page means that when you write an update, you are acting as your page. So you can carry on and write and do whatever you want. So let's just pop writing an update. As you can see here, you can no longer tag individual people. So this is the first difference. When you are acting as your page inside your Facebook group, you cannot tag individual people. You can, however, tag events, but the main purpose is that you cannot tag individual people when you are doing an update inside your group. If, however, I swap back to myself, you'll be able to tag. I'll show you. Close that up, go back up to my interacting as me, flick it over, wait for it to do what it does. Write an update, so I'm just going to pop that in there. And as you can see, I can now tag my friends. So that's the biggest difference between acting as your Facebook business page and acting as yourself inside your Facebook group. As yourself, you can tag your friends who are in the group. As your business page, you cannot tag individual people inside the group. So if you're finding it difficult to tag people in your group, you need to double check that you are not acting as your business page, that you are acting as yourself. So that's tip number one. If you are acting as your Facebook business page inside of your Facebook group, you will not be able to tag friends in your posts. If, however, you are acting as your Facebook profile, you will be able to tag your friends. The second difference between acting as yourself and your business page inside of your Facebook group is how you go about inviting people. Now, I'm acting as myself at the moment, so I am my profile, as you can see from the option. If you are acting as your page, it's really difficult sometimes to invite people to your group. As we've just seen from when you're a person, you can invite your friends on Facebook, you can invite people by embedding the invitation tab. Another way, if you are acting as your page and you want to invite people to your group, but you don't know them personally, they're not on your friends list, is to do one of two things. You can copy this URL at the top of your page, and you can then paste that into Messenger, and you can send somebody who you don't know on Facebook a message inviting them to join the group. And by doing this, you can actually explain to them why you want to do that. Another thing is that if you are allowing pages to join your group, then you can invite pages by clicking the invitation as well. If you invite a page, they will get the same invitation that you would have sent personally. So if you've invited people and they haven't accepted your invitation, they will show up here. And as you can see, it says these people and pages have been invited to join your group but have not yet accepted. They have been approved and are currently in preview mode. What that means is that if you've actively invited somebody to your group, they have 28 days to accept that invitation. They can see what's happening inside the group. However, if they don't actually accept your invitation to join the group, then they won't be coming in anymore. One way of stopping people from coming to your group, perhaps maybe you've invited them by mistake, is to just go into the invited area, which is members, invited. And then if you want to uninvite them, you click this button here and you say remove from group. That way, they won't be allowed to have a look what's going on in the group. You can also send them a reminder if you want to as well. One of the things I've noticed about allowing pages into your group is that they are limited as a page from interacting in some of the things that happen inside your group. And one of the biggest elements that I've noticed that you can't do as a page is to actually vote on polls. So I'm going to show you inside my Facebook group what exactly I mean. So at the moment inside my Facebook group, I'm acting as myself. Remember, there is a profile and there is a page. So I'm currently acting as myself. And here you can see that I have a poll inside of my group. Now, inside my group, I've asked for people to give me some answers to some of the questions I've asked. Now, they can go ahead and tick the box inside the poll, which shows me as the admin that I get some feedback, so I can actually see what my members want from me. However, if you are interacting as your page, so now I am going into my group as my business page, and I go down to that same poll, I can't actually vote on that poll anymore. So when I'm acting as my page, voting on a poll inside your Facebook group doesn't work. So if you are allowing Facebook pages to come into your group, then you may be missing out on some vital information from those people. I hope this video goes a little way to helping you manage your own Facebook group. If you have any questions about the problems that I've tried to solve for you inside this video, please don't hesitate to put your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you ring the bell, then you'll get notification when my next video drops. Take care for now, and I'll speak to you soon.